We are going to discuss question number 15 of exercise 3.4, and that question is cot 4x bracket sine 5x plus sine 3x equal to plus cot x bracket sine 5x minus sine 3x. So I have written these two formulas that will be used here, and you see that how this formula will be used. So you see first LHS. So we will be solving LHS first. So LHS is cot 4x, that can be written as cos 4x upon sine 4x, and bracket sine 5x plus sine 3x, we apply this identity sine A plus sine B. So this is going to be 2 sine A plus B, means 5x plus 3x is 8x, 8x divided by 2 is 4x, and into cos 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x divided by 2 is this. So now you can see that sine 4x can be cancelled. So this is cos 4x and this is cos x and this is 2. So we have now come to this, and further you can simplify this also, but better we solve RHS and we show that RHS is also equal to 2 cos 4x into cos x. So I am taking here the RHS. RHS is now cot x. Cot x can be written as cos x upon sin x, and this sin 5x minus sin 3x, you apply this formula. So this is going to be 2 cos 5x plus 3x is 8x, 8x divided by 2 is 4. So this can be written as 2 cos 4x. Next is sine 5x minus 3x is 2x, 2x divided by 2 is x. So this sin x got cancelled, and this has come as 2 cos 4x into cos x. So you can see that you have proved that LHS and RHS both are equal. So your result is proved. Sometimes it's easy, or it's that you solve both the sides. Sometimes you solve LHS and it comes equal to RHS, but here both the sides should be solved and they should be proved that they are equal. Now we'll discuss this question number 16, cos 9x minus cos 5x. You should remember this formula that cos a minus cos b is equal to minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2, and sin a minus sin b is there. Sin a minus sin b is 2 cos a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. So we apply this formulas here in LHS. LHS is this, that you can write that minus 2 sin 9x plus 5x upon 2 and sine 9x minus 5x upon 2, and denominator you can apply this formula. This is 2 cos 17x plus 3x by 2, and this is sine 17x minus 3x upon 2. So you see what comes, this 2 you can cancel. Now this is I'm writing it here, 9x plus 5x is 14x, so this can be written as sine 7x. 9 plus 5 14 by 2 sine 7x, and this 9x minus this is, you see this is going to be 9x 4x by 2 is sine 2x. Now come to this is 17 plus 3, this is 20, so 20 by 2 is cos 10x, and this is sine 17 minus 3 14, and this is going to be sine 7x. 14 by 2 is this. So this term and this term got cancelled, so you are left with sine 2x, and this is cos 10x, and this is equal to RHS. Now let's discuss question number 21. 21 is cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x upon sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. I told you earlier also, whenever you get 3 terms or more than 3 terms in terms of sine and cos, then you make pair, and pair should be made in such a way that there should be common when you take it from the remaining term. So if I take 4x and 3x, then it will be 4x plus 3x 7x by 2, it's not equal to 2x. If I take 4x and 2x, then 4x plus 2x is 6x, 6x divided by 2 is 3x. So it's quite visible that you take these two together, and similarly here also you take these two together, and then we see that what comes. So we write LHS cos 4x, you can take this in one bracket, cos 4x plus cos 2x in one bracket, and here it is cos 3x, and denominator also sin 4x plus sin 2x you take in one bracket, and this is plus sin 3x, you take it separately. Apply the identity cos A plus cos B. I'm writing the identity first. So this is the identity cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. So we apply in this. This is 2 cos A plus B by 2, means 4x plus 2x is 6x divided by 2 is 3x, and then this is cos 4x minus 2x, 2x divided by 2 is this, and this is cos 3x. Next is sin 4x plus sin 2x. You apply this formula, this sin 3x, because sin A plus sin B is 2 sin A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. So that can be written as cos x, and this is your sin 3x. So now you see you can take common cos 3x from the numerator, so it will be 2 cos x plus 1, and from denominator you can take sin 3x common, so it is going to be 2 cos x plus 1. So this bracket got cancelled, and cos 3x sin 3x is cot 3x. So this is equal to RHS. Now question number 22, cot x into cot 2x, cot 2x into cot 3x minus cos 3x into cot x is equal to 1, we have to show. So you see this identity. If I take x as A as x and B as 2x, so you see this, I'm going to write cot 3x as cot x plus 2x. Now apply this identity, it can be written as cot x into cot 2x minus 1 upon cot 2x plus cot x. Now do the cross multiplication. So cot 3x will be multiplied by cot 2x, cot 3x will be multiplied by cot x, and this side it is cot x into cot 2x minus 1. So minus 1 you bring this side, and rest of these term will you take to RHS side. So this will be your 1 cot x cot 2x, and this is positive here, so it becomes negative cot 3x into cot 2x, and this is also positive, this will become negative cot 3x into cot x, and that we have proved. That was the result that we have to prove. To do question number 23, that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x 1 minus tan square x 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan 4x, we need to have two formulas. First, that tan 2x, we can work with one formula also. 2 tan x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So this is the key formula that will be used to prove this. At place of x you can say a also, so or you can say this tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. So I am using a because x is already been used here in this question number 23. So better you see this and try to understand that LHS can be written as, which is LHS is tan 4x, and it can be written as tan 2 into 2x. So this time you consider this as your a, this you consider as a. So tan 2a, you can apply this formula, this is 2 tan 2x, and this is 1 minus tan square 2x. But you see your answer is not in 2x, your all angles are in x. It means somewhere you have to convert that tan 2x again in terms of 10. So you see tan 2x, Now you have this formula also, tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. So this tan 2x will be replaced by 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and here it is denominator also 1 minus, you write 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and this is whole square. So just we have to simplify, we'll get the answer. So you see this is 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and now you simplify the denominator, the LCM will be 1 minus tan square x whole square, and this will be 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 2 minus 4 tan square x. So now we can write this 4 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x, and now you can do the reciprocal. This will be 1 minus tan square x whole square upon, you can open this bracket also, 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x. So we simplify, this will be cancelled by this. So this is 4 tan x and this is 1 minus tan square x. Now you can see we have obtained our numerator of RHS. So just to simplify this, open a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is 1 plus tan 4x minus 2 tan square x, and this is 4 tan square x. So just last step and you will get the answer. And this is 1 plus tan 4x and 2 tan square x minus 4 tan square x, 6 tan square x. So now this is equal to your RHS. You have to keep in mind your RHS and do steps accordingly. Now question number 24, cos 4x is 1 minus 8 sin square x and into cos square x. You should remember that cos 2a formula is 1 minus 2 sin square a. So why I am choosing this formula? Because you see I need answer 1. So 1 can be obtained by using this formula, and this is sin x and cos x. I never need the angle 2x, so somewhere I have to use this formula also. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a. So I am now using LHS, which is cos 4x. You can write that as cos, you can say this is cos 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x. Now this is consider, you consider this as a. So apply the formula, this cos 2a formula. So 1 minus 2 sin square a is your 2x. Now this can be written as 1 minus 2 sin 2x whole square. Now I don't want answer in terms of 2x, so you can see this sin 2a formula is also there. So apply that formula also, 1 minus 2, you can write 2 sin x into cos x whole square. Now open this 2, this will be 2 is 4 sin square x into cos square x. When you open this, 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x, and this is equal to your RHS. Now we'll discuss this question number 25. Cos 6x you have to prove this is 32, cos 6x minus 48, cos 4x plus 18, cos square x minus 1. So you see this minus 1, and there is a formula of cos 2a which is again 2 cos square a minus 1. So you have to think that how you can apply this. Cos 6x you can write that as cos 2 into 3x. Now you take this 3x as a, so it can be written as 2 cos square 3x minus 1. Now but I don't want to answer in terms of 3x, so we have to apply another formula of cos 3x. We have this formula, I am writing this formula here. Cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So these two formulas actually will help us to solve this question. Now cos 3x, you can see this is whole square. So first you cos 3x. This is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and this is square you put here minus 1. Now next step is to just simplify with the help of a minus b property. So a minus b is your 616 cos 6 x plus 9 cos square x, and 4 0 12 24 cos 4x, and this is minus 1. You just bracket you open, this is 32 cos 6x plus 9 to the 18, this is cos square x, and this is 24, this is 48 cos 4x, and this is minus 1, and this is equal to your RHS. So with the help of these two formulas you have proved. You have to keep in mind that what you need in RHS. So I applied cos 3x formula because I could see that I need answer in terms of x. Angle is x. Angle is not 3x. So somewhere I got the idea that I have to replace that 3x also so that it can be converted into x angle.